With remarkable precision, surface processing machines can take flaws out of parts or make naturally rough exteriors less abrasive. But for one surface processing machinery manufacturer, accounting processes were anything but smooth. Headquartered in Germany with satellite offices in Michigan, the manufacturer had been relying on its parent's accounting department for years. However, after transitioning their business structure to a limited liability corporation, which requires more rigorous administrative documentation, continuing to rely on their parent was bound to backfire. What they really needed was their own accounting application that could systematize and energize their due diligence processes. Fortunately, this manufacturer turned to the TM Group. Since 1984, the TM Group has empowered businesses in many industries with their enterprise resource planning tools that streamline traditional, yet mission-critical, back-office tasks, including general ledger, payables, receivables, inventory, manufacturing, and more. In this instance, we guided the surface processing machinery manufacturer through the implementation of Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. Read our blog to learn how this manufacturer smoothed out their business management capabilities through Business Central and the ERP implementation experts at the TM Group.